Welcome to Module 5.10, Design Level Integration. This session focuses on how integration happens right from the beginning, at the study design level. We'll review common mixed methods designs, explore how sampling can be integrated across strands, and discuss key considerations when planning a timeline and allocating resources. At the design level, integration begins with selecting a structure that supports your research purpose and questions. Basic designs include sequential, parallel, convergent, and embedded formats. More advanced configurations include multi-phase and transformative designs. No matter the design, the key is aligning the structure with your research questions and planning how the components will relate. This includes sampling integration across phases and timeline planning to coordinate data collection, analysis, and merging processes. Early integration choices shape the coherence and flow of the entire study. Sampling integration is a critical design-level decision. You might use identical samples, where the same individuals participate in both the qualitative and quantitative components. Or you may select nested samples, where a subset of participants in one strand contributes to the other. Parallel sampling involves using different individuals from the same population in each strand. In sequential sampling, participants are chosen for the second phase based on results from the first. Multi-level sampling allows for different units of analysis, such as individuals in the qualitative phase and organizations in the quantitative phase. Each approach must be chosen based on your study's goals and structure. Effective integration requires strong implementation planning. Start with clear resource allocation, budgeting time, personnel, and funding for both strands. Be strategic with team expertise distribution, ensuring the right mix of quantitative and qualitative skills across team members. Create a detailed timeline that includes time for data collection, analysis, integration, and interpretation. Include contingency plans for delays, recruitment issues, or unexpected findings. It's also important to build in adaptation protocols, structured flexibility that allows for mid-course adjustments without compromising the integrity of the design.